active. UAV recon, ready for deployment.
Changing mag! Defend the objective.
Yo guys, what's up everybody? I want to thank you guys all a lot. I'm almost to 2K views, and I've been getting tons of great feedback from you guys. Lots of likes, lots of happy people comments. Today, I've got with you a requested tutorial. This is sort of tying into the ultimate quality. You guys asked for the color correction. I'm just going to do the basic one for now on my latest video because it improves your quality. Yes, it does. It's using a lot of elements I've showed you before, but in general, it's just a nice color correction to have. So let's get to it. Do your normal stuff. Disable, resample, crop out, whatever you want to do. I'm going to make this a nice cinematically crop. And that was a fail. That's not a cinematic crop. This more of a cinematic crop. And I'm going to go to the clip, and this might be slightly off because I used it on terminal when I created it, so this might be really drastic. I hope not. But the first thing you want to do is make sure you're on 8-bit in your settings. If you're using my settings, you're set. But you want to make sure you're in 8-bit because that 8-bit and 32-bit color corrections are separate and different, and they can really screw you over. So that's the color correction. It does make things look nice, yes, but that is because it uses my ultimate quality tutorial unsharp mask. Now, you guys are probably wondering the ratio I use for this. I like to go with about a radius of 60 and like 214, whatever. You guys can turn it to whatever you want, and that's just going to make everything look sharper. I mean, I might turn it down a little bit. I'm going to go to like 200 roughly, just try to get to 203. I'm feeling, there we go. And then like 55 is what I exactly use, like 255. 200 up here, 55, 0. And that gives you a sexy, nice effect. And that's what I use. And so basically that's it, guys. Now we're going to go over the settings to get this nice, cute little quality that you guys love so much. That gives it this very nice cinematic look, but it's just a regular color correction that works on most every map. So that's really cool. I mean, look at this. It looks really detailed and nice. But you guys requested it, and I'm going to give it to you because you guys requested it. And I love you guys, and you guys are what keeps me going. So anyways, we're going to do the same thing on this clip. Keep maintain aspect ratio check so we can cinematic crop it out. There we go. We got a nice little cinematic croppy, and I failed a lot. And I might have done the same with my last crop. Let's go to the start and make sure I didn't. Yes, I did. I did the same thing with this one. If you guys are wondering what I'm talking about right now because you don't know how to, if I keyframed it so it zooms in, it automatically does that. So I got to delete the initial crop, and then this one just stays forever. So now we've got our nice two crops. Ooh, they're cute. They're all nice and stuff, but they're sort of pointless. But anyways, I'm going to get into the correction in a second, but you guys can just see how sexy this looks. I mean, it's like a cinematic color correction, but it works on every map, and it looks absolutely great. And it does incorporate the better quality ultimate secret, which just makes everything look so much better. I mean, look at without unsharp mask, my secret. Look at that. Everything just looks so much better. Like, if you can see that right now, everything looks better. And if you can't, let's bump the shit up. Now you should be able to see it, but that looks a little bit too sharp, so I'm just going to turn it down to around 200 again. 280, I could even keep it on that if I wanted to, but I like my settings. I'm going to give it like 214, that's fine. Because you can go a little bit higher in terminal. But as you can see, this is looking absolutely wonderful. I mean, clear, everything's looking good. By the way, this is not my clip even. It's been rendered out once, so it's not even the full quality of a raw clip that it could be. And thank you guys all for messaging me saying, do you want clips? But I can get them offline. But if you really want me to use your clip in my video, I will use your clip, but I will not give you credit, in meaning that I won't link you. So don't think, oh, I can get self-promoted by sending my clip to Fluffy. I will say it's your clip. I will not say your YouTube channel. I will say your gamer tag. And if your YouTube channel is your gamer tag, then I guess you're lucky. But that's about it. So yeah, you can just see how great this color correction looks. And I guess I should stop talking now and show you. And yeah. Anyways, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up a new clip. I'm just going to take the color correction off really fast. So open up this part, and what you're going to want to do is drag on the elements I tell you to. I'm just going to load up my color correction, however. Make sure you're in 8-bit once again. First thing you want to drag on is brightness and contrast, you're going to want to set your brightness to 0.2 and your contrast to 28, and your contrast center, bump it up to 0.60. That gives it more depth, and just blacks are darker, and it just gives you that epic cinematic look. And then the second thing you want to do is drag in color correction secondary, which is right here, and you're going to just drag in reset to none and set it to my settings. My settings rotate here 0, saturation 1.5, gamma 1.0, gain 1.164, offset negative 27.4, and alpha 1.0. And then you're pretty much set to go. And finally, the ultimate quality tutorial, which you've all seen because it's so awesome, unsharp mask. You can see how much better and how much just cinematic-y that looks. It's like a soft contrast. It doesn't make it soft. It makes it sharper. How awesome. But my amount, I like to go with around 200. I usually use, this is actually exactly what I use, 0.2. And the radius is 0.055. And that gives you this nice color correction. And that's been it for today's tutorial, guys. I know it's a really short, sort of boring tutorial. You might not have enjoyed it. Tomorrow, I am going to try to bump in a Twitch for Sony Vegas, so that should be really epic and interesting if it turns out all right. But I'm sorry for the short tutorial, guys. I mean, what can I say? I'm on short time. If you notice, I'm doing it at 4:15. I'm going to a friend's soccer game today. Got to check out his skills. I want to get out and about today. Got some homework to do. Got a lot of stuff to do today. So you guys asked for this color correction that I use as the default color correction. This is no special color correction for me. This is the default one I'd use in an episode. No special. No like bluish or anything tint, pardon me. It's just a normal color correction I'd use. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let's see what we're running at. We're running at 6 minutes, 11 seconds. That's a little bit much for a color correction tutorial, but I tried to just show you what it does. If you don't like my talk, I guess unsubscribe. I just do this to be more friendly with my subscribers. And please PM me if you want to send in clips or if you have any suggestions. And here's just a little section of this, but you saw the full video anyways. Shit. I don't have my things in, so I'm gonna have to shoot. I don't have my headphones in, so I'm gonna have to do this real fast for you guys. Try to literally rush it. Turn down my sound all the way on my big sound system with 4 speakers, and now I can play it back for you guys.
Overtime.
So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This has been how to get this sexy quality, and most of the project and render settings for this will be, there will be an annotation on the screen right about now. I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been FluffeyHD. This is tutorial 10, and I love you guys. I'll be uploading every day. Alright, guys, bye.